Well, good morning, everybody. It is now the 16th of October, 2024, and we got a kind of a late start at 7:40 a.m. The sun is streaming in. It's 63 degrees outside, and we're still in Pahrump, Nevada for another 3 weeks or so. And we're going to talk about the comments, and the first one is on on a video that's called, the title is another driving video, and I believe the thumbnail says a pretty boring driving video. Are you going to be surprised if I didn't get a whole lot of views on that? You guys, my subscribers and people that you watched it, but most everyone else probably said, why should I watch that thing? And at least it was honest. The reviews I got off that thumbnail were legit views, let me tell you. Let's see, and I had it up, the first comment up, and I just lost it. Let's see. Okay, it's Robert Ballard says, Rob, when you go out to get George's favorite snack, I'm pretty sure he telepathically put the order in your mind. He's probably giving you the look right now. You know the one. Are you going to share with your favorite kitty? You're lucky you didn't change your mind several times. Once you saw that fast food choices in that area. True type, amazing amount of restaurant choices. And let's see. I'm having a hard time, guys. I'm having a hard time making my mouse click where and when I want it to click. You ever have that experience where you're just a little bit of arthritis in this hand and it's not always doing what I'd like it to do? So now we have on the comment video, we have Stacy Jones saying, appreciate you and all your positivity. You, George, Dottie, it brightened my morning every day. That's so nice to hear, Stacy. Thank you. The positive news was on a targeted, they called it a targeted chemo for cervical cancer. And this is a big study that was done in Europe that has a ton of promise in reduced side effects and dramatic increases in curing and survivability. Robert Ballard says, thanks, Rob. I've had family member pass from this horrible cancer. You always hope that someday it would be controlled or possibly cured. Let's see. Oh, I have another video that was just cooking on here, and I need to start the process of uploading it so you guys will get to see it this morning, because it's a positive news video on American Sign Language. There's a myth that and it's really pretty cool, and it's long. It's my positive news videos are generally 1.5 to 3 minutes. This one's 8 minutes. I hope people will enjoy it. So we're going to start the upload process on that. There. Okay, where were we? Robert just pointed out a typo he had in his but guys, you can go in and edit your comments. You don't have to. You can go in and there's those 3 vertical dots. Hit that. You can go in and edit and change. Let's see. All right. So another driving video. Stacy Jones says that was hilarious. Love the way it started. Love the way it ended. Let's see. I had some. What I do remember is I had some real tongue-in-cheek kind of kidding around in the beginning of that video, but I don't even remember how it ended. Dan Hardesty on the same video. Oh, come on. I thought it was fun. On the comments video, Ken Gray says, thank you for the lovely video. Give George and Dottie both a pat from me. Well, certainly, Ken. Don the First on the driving video. I crave potato chips for the salt. Is sushi salty? Probably, right? I never tried it. Also, I have one granddaughter who likes it. Another driving video. Thornelia said, I was on the edge of my seat the whole time. He's kidding. Naj, thanks for the ride. I love sushi, but I would be scared to eat sushi from my Walmart. I had food poisoning 3 times. One from sushi, and I never bought sushi there again. I've bought it in different grocery store where they make it in front of me, and I have no problems there. I'm not sure if she understood that mine was in Albertsons, and the reason I was going there is they make it right in front of you. So she might have missed that. Pete Diaz, I thought the video was great. Watch you daily. Can't wait for upcoming quartzsite videos. Like many others, I'm sure, always something different and interesting. Thank you, Pete. Judy. On the comments video, usually, hopefully the temps down here will be in the 70s by the 1st. I hope so, too. Another Judy comment, just to let everyone know, I had to sit in line to dump my composting toilet's urine jar because I am in an RV. This is in La Posa South. I was sent away from the Blue Boy station. You cannot use the Blue Boy station if you're in an RV. So even though you're not dumping your RV tanks and you have just a little thing that you're dumping that you're carrying out there, they won't let you do it. Maybe because if they're thinking if someone drives by and sees a RV in line there, they're thinking, well, I'll get in line too if they're able to dump their RV there. I don't know. Last night, Lisa says, hi, Rod, Judy, and I are sitting outside enjoying the breeze. That's the best friends, Judy and Lisa, who I'll be camping near or around or with in quartzsite. They're there and they're sitting enjoying the breeze. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, they're still in an RV park waiting for those temps to come down before they head to La Posa South. Utah Paul says, my favorite sushi is the crunchy rolls. That does sound good, doesn't it? In 2003 DDJ, when you're walking or driving through your RV park or quartzsite, can you video a close-up of campers or RVs that are listed for sale? We're trying to get a sense of what's for sale by owner RV sells for. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to remember to do that because I have other things on my mind when I'm shooting a video. But go to Facebook Marketplace. You can target that by area, and you'll see a ton of RVs for sale by owner. A ton. And give you an idea of what they're going for and what they're like. I think that's it. Only 7 minutes today. Yeah, that's it. I'm not breaking any records with views these days, views and comments. But yeah, we all have lulls in our viewership. So today, as I mentioned in the beginning, I have a very special long positive news video. We have this video, and I have one that I'm going to release right now. It is full-time RV healthcare, my choices. So that's a video about this old guy turning 65 this winter and making my healthcare choices about what I'm going to do for health insurance and how to take care of myself. So you might be interested in that video. That's coming out. It's out. Let's make sure it's out there. It is out there. No views. So this is going to come out long after that. I was going to say you could be the first one, but only if this were coming out before, which it's not. Never mind. Thanks for hanging in there to the 9-minute mark, and I hope to see you tomorrow. I appreciate you, and I'm grateful for you. Thank you.